It's different. YouTube, what is going on today? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure you guys drop a like down below, leave a comment on the video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell in the corner, please and thank you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. This video is supposed to been drop. I was supposed to binge shoot this video, but it was a crazy weekend. PS5s, iPhones. I'm telling you, as soon as the PS5 came in my apartment complex, I was downstairs ready to pick it up. They had to process, do whatever they had to do in my apartment's end. But yeah, I was ready. It was PS5 all weekend. Finished all my work throughout the week so I could just have the weekend with me and the PS5. And boy, it was a weekend. But I know y'all didn't come here for the PS5 talk, even though I probably will talk about the console in another video. But y'all came for the 11s. So let me go ahead and get them for you. Boom. Okay, so the box reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, black, multicolored, size 12.5, price tag $220. Jordan dropped the price of the Air Jordan 11 already. But this box is dope. Apparently this is the 25th anniversary of the Air Jordan 11. The way the box opens up is pretty smooth, pretty nice and neat. I like the way the box opens up. And then you got the Air Jordan paper right here. So it's 1995 to 2020. Commemorating the 25th year. Commemorating of the 25th year of the Air Jordan 11 Retro. Not the Retro, the Air Jordan 11. My bad. But yeah, dope. Very dope box in my opinion. And then, boom, we got the shoe right here, guys. Like I said, when I first saw pictures of the shoe, I thought the shoe was ugly. Not even gonna lie. Thought it was hideous. I was like, Jordan brand, what are you doing? This is the 25th anniversary, Jordan. This is what y'all want to drop. But after getting them in hand, they are not that bad at all, guys. Just if you're able to copy retail, keep. But paying a resale price for this shoe, we're gonna get into it. But let's go ahead and hop into some of the details of the shoe, guys. So right here we got that high black patent leather, nice high cut with the what's it called, the little widow's peaks right there. Well, not widow's peaks, but little peaks. Also got that white, what's it called, cut going around here, around where the patent leather is. You got your silver metallic Jumpman. This is actually made of plastic right here and not woven in. On the heel right here, you got your leather. The leather actually feels pretty good on this Air Jordan 11, not even gonna lie. On the back, you got your 23 embossed right here. This is also made of plastic. It's not woven in, or no, it's normally printed on there, so it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon, unless, of course, you beat your shoes up, which I don't do. On the bottom, you got your clear, kind of milky outsole right here, and then you got your silver pods right there, and of course the classic carbon fiber check right here. You gotta touch it. You gotta scratch it, make sure it's real. Now you gotta start putting back the receipts back in the box, because I miss my receipts. I miss my proof of purchase. And on the inside of the shoe, you got your Jumpman logo, and you got your 23 right there, size 12.5, my personal size. And I can't forget the nice white midsole going around the shoe right here. You got your Jumpman logo right here on the third spacing right here. This is how you can see if they're real or not. Back in the day, that's how you could see if they're real or not. But these days, I mean, even the fakes, they're gonna have the third spacing in they're gonna have the Jumpman in the third spacing. And the one detail that I just do not like about this shoe is the Jordan that they're spelling on right here where the lace loops are. I do not like that detail at all. This would have been a super dope shoe if they would have left that off. Like, I mean, it's a cool, okay detail, but it's just not. This is not for me, and I'm not feeling it at all. Like, can I just like take these off? And this would really be like a dope 11 if they did that. But I feel like the reason they didn't do that is because eventually, they're going to bless us with the blackout 11. Guarantee you, they're going to bless us. But this is the closest thing we're going to get to a blackout 11, unfortunately. But it's still a dope shoe. Like I said, if you were able to cop for retail, I would definitely hold on to it. Probably keep it in the collection, maybe. Paying resale for the shoe? Nah, I wouldn't. It's not gonna be paying resale for this shoe right here. But yeah, super dope shoe. There's nothing wrong with it. Like I said, I hated it at first. Only thing that really bothers me is this right here. Like, only thing that really bothers me. I'm gonna go ahead and get the left shoe for you guys too, so you guys get a great look of the shoe. Like I said, it's a nice shoe. You really can't go wrong with it. And of course, it's an Air Jordan 11 Retro, and it's going to sell out. I posted on my Instagram story the other day, was this a yay or was this a nay? Let me go double check the results again for that right there. All right, so the results say 53% yay, 47% nay. So it's like a half and half. Some people like it, some people don't. The shoe's not for everybody. To be honest with you, it's not for everybody. But maybe I can change the 47% opinion. Let's go ahead and hop into the on foot, guys. guys, that was On Foot. Thank you for watching my video. Like I said, make sure you guys drop a like down below. Leave a comment if you're gonna cop the Air Jordan 11 retro. I believe these were the, I don't know. I don't call it the Jubilees, whatever they're called. They're the 25th anniversaries, in my opinion. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you can get all the notifications of when my videos drop, please and thank you. And I cannot leave without saying the most important thing, of course. All y'all stay blessed out there.